Children, today we are going to explain chapter number 19, that is our transport. In this chapter, you are going to learn about roadways, railways, waterways, and about air transport. Roadways. A road on which vehicle travel is known as roadways. They are important for the movement of various means of transport like cycle, car, buses, etc. They connect states, cities, towns, villages, and ports. Uses of roadways. Via the road, these vehicles can carry items like food, grains, vegetables, oil, etc. and also they carry people. Now, what is national highways? The roads which connect the main cities and ports are called national highways. Like here you can see this kind of board you can be able to see on the roads. They are known as NH. NH means national highway. Can you see it in the map of India? A yellow color line is drawn from the middle of the map of India. That is NH44. It is the longest highway in India. NHAI is an organization, National Highway Authority of India. Road construction and looking after of roads are their function. India has the largest network of roads in the world. So, NHAI look after the condition of road and they also make new roads. State highways. Built and maintained by the state government. For example, in Rajasthan, SH3 Ganganagar to Bikaner has the state highway. Next is types of roads. Roads can be of two types, a metalled road and unmetalled road. Pakka roads are metal road. That means they are made by stones, cement, tar, etc. Unmetalled road means kacha roads where cement, stone, these things are not used. These kacha roads can be found in village areas and it can become muddy during the rainy season, whereas the metal road is very much safe during the rainy season because of it is made by cement and all those materials. Next is railways. Railway means a track made of steel rails along which trains can run. These are known as the rail tracks. You can see it in the picture. I know all of you have seen it. Fast passenger train in India. The British introduced the train in India. Back at that time, the engine of the train was functioned by the steam. So it was named as steam engine. Ran between Bombay and Thane in the year of 1853. Those first train. Train's engine can be of many types. Steam engine, diesel engine, and even electric engine. Electric engine operated trains nowadays we can find everywhere. It is the most popular one. Next is Indian Railways. It is the lifeline of India. It connects almost all towns and cities. Large network of railways is present here. The total length is 66,000 kilometers. Indian Railway is the fourth largest in the world and second largest in Asia. Just imagine that. There are many zones of Indian Railways. 16 zones are there. Eastern Railway, Western Railway, Northern Railway, Southern Railway, Central Railway, etc. are the main zones. And under them there are many subdivisions. And sub-zones are there. Altogether they make total 16 zones. There are many fastest trains in India. Amongst Vande Bharat Express is the fastest train in India. Apart from that, there are Shatabdi Express, Rajdhani Express, Duronto Express, etc. Next is metro trains. A network of underground trains are known as metro trains. They even run on elevated tracks. People can travel easily and quickly within the city with the help of them. For example, Delhi Metro, Kolkata Metro, Kochi Metro, Jaipur Metro are there. The city where we can find metro transportation, that particular city is also known as metro city. Like Delhi is a metro city, Kolkata is a metro city, etc. Next is local trains in Mumbai. What is local train? That means the train that will run from one station to another locally. Local train operates between town or city. The lifeline of Mumbai is the local train, chief means of transport for the people of the city. It carries nearly 75 lakh passengers every day. So, express train will travel longer distance and local train will travel shorter distances. The next means of transport is waterways. A river, canal, or other water body used as route or way of travel or transport is known as waterways. The cheapest means of transport is this one. Remember, it is the waterways. Slower than the other means of transport as well. It will take many days to reach from one place to another if you want to travel long distance. These are some means of water transport: boat, motorboat, naval ship, passenger ship, cargo ship, submarine, etc. Now, what is the meaning of ship? Ships carry people and goods in huge quantity from one country to another. It's a big water transport vehicle. So, what is cargo ship? Cargo ship transport large quantities of goods from one port to another. Port is the place where the ships will rest. What is oil tanker? You can look at the picture. This is the example of an oil tanker. It will carry the oil. It will transport oil from one place to another. Next is rivers in India used for water transport. Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, Brahmaputra river, etc. They are used to transport things in the waterways. Now, a ship in National Waterway 1, exactly like the national highways are present, in the same way, national waterways are also present. Ganga, Bhagirathi and Hooghly river are the way of National Waterway 1. Okay, it will cover from Haldia, West Bengal to Pranganj, that is in UP. There are 9 Indian coastal states. They are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. What is a port? A city or town in the sea coast where ships load or unload is known as ports. There are 13 major ports and minor ports are 187. Now children, if you want to travel a long distance, which one would you prefer that will save you time? Of course, that will be airways. That means air is the fastest means of transport. There are helicopter service, aeroplane and even hot air balloon and airships. So air transport is the fastest and even costliest means of transport. Almost all parts of India can be reached by aeroplanes, used for long distance to travel. In India, air transport was started on 18th of February 1911 and it traveled around 9.7 km by this device. You can see this one. This is the preliminary form of an aeroplane. Next is cargo planes. They carry fruits, vegetables and flowers. These are perishable goods. That means this kind of goods can be destroyed. Next is helicopters. They used to travel for short distances. They are very helpful in time of difficulty and to rescue people during any kind of calamity, right, like earthquake, flood, etc. Look at here, the helicopter is saving the people during the epidemic and disaster and during the floods. They even supply food to the people when they are in distress due to those kind of epidemics. That means any kind of danger that suddenly happened in our earth, like flood or something like that. Next is AAI, Airport Authority of India. Exactly like there was National Road Authority of India, exactly the same way there is also Airport Authority of India, which manages domestic flight and international flights. Airlines can be of two types, government and private. Government airline is Air India or Indian Airlines, and private planes are like SpiceJet, Go Air, etc. So children, watch the video carefully and read the chapter once again. Thank you.